The Barbie Truck Tour was in Orland Park, Illinois, and Oak Brook, Illinois in the United States. And I got to give a huge shout out to a friend of mine that is in Orland Park that did go ahead and let me know that they were there. And also a huge shout out to the person that went ahead and went there to pick up the stuff. So the first item I want to showcase is the pet bowl. Take a look. It's got the Barbie Silhouette on the bowl. So cute. And the boxes they come in are so adorable. And today is June 13th, 2024. So the Barbie Truck Tour Bus goes over to different locations throughout the nation. So check out and see where the bus is going to be next. All right, so the next item I got was a Barbie glass tumbler. Take a look. And this one also has the Barbie Silhouette on it. So cute. And this is the box it comes in. Next, I want to showcase this glass mug. Oh my goodness, so cute. First off, this is the box. And check out this mug. Also, really quick, before I go back to the magic box, this shirt, this hoodie I'm wearing is actually from the Barbie Truck Tour Bus. Super cute. And I love the fact that it's got pockets in the middle. All right, so they have these dishes. Take a look at the plate set. This is the box it came in. And they have it in purple with the Barbie Silhouette in the middle. And they have it in pink as well, which of course matches my hoodie. So back to the EML collection magic box. Got a couple more items I'm going to showcase. Now this right here is the accessory cup, and once again the Barbie Silhouette is on it. Check out the lid, it says Barbie. And this is the box. So this was the necklace they had for this year. So adorable. I love the little gold silhouette that's hanging down. It's got a little palm tree, a heart, so cute. And this is the back. And check out this keychain. I really like the skeleton keychain. And it's got the Barbie bee right in the middle. Okay, so these are the patches they have. They're iron-on patches. And these are coasters. And the last thing I want to go ahead and showcase is what I got for free, and that was a Barbie magnet. Take a look. So with my purchase, they actually just gave me this. So cool. So go online, check out and see when the Barbie Tour Bus is going to be in your state. Stay tuned, everybody. Many more secrets to showcase, much more to bring you from the fabulous Iconic Doll EML Collection Museum. Bye. Follow me.